This cordless grass trimmer from Worx is a lightweight and ergonomic model, making it comfortable to handle and easy to maneuver. The 157E uses a PowerShare battery which you can share with your other Worx tools. It has an automatic feed for the spool line, an easy grip handle for your comfort, and a 25cm cutting swathe, making it suitable for the average garden. What's more, this model can operate as a precision trimmer and as a lawn edger. That's the flexibility of two models in one.
To assemble the grass trimmer, first join the two halves of the shaft. Push down until the top half clicks into place. Remove the screw from the underside of the safety guard and then slide the safety guard into the slot on the motor head, making sure it's firmly in place. Replace the screw and tighten down using a screwdriver. Slide your charged PowerShare battery into place under the handle and you're ready to go. To turn the grass trimmer on, press the safety lock button on the handle and then press up on the trigger and the motor will start. To change the trimmer into an edger, hold the shaft whilst turning the cutting head. It will pivot around. The trimmer can now be used as an edger. When using your grass trimmer, at some point the wire on your spool is going to run out of line. To replace the line, grip the orange spool cap on either side and lift upwards. Now grip the spool itself and lift to remove. You can purchase pre-wound line spools online. Just make sure to purchase the correct line for your model. In this case, we're replacing a single line spool. Take the pre-wound spool and unhook the line from the notch in the top edge of the spool. Now feed the line through the eyelet in the side of the cutting head. Make sure the line doesn't get trapped under the spool. Seat the spool back onto the spindle and replace the orange spool cap firmly into position. The line may not reach as far as the cutter, in which case you can manually extend it using the line feed button on the cutting head. You may prefer to purchase your line on larger reels and wind the line manually onto an empty spool. This is very straightforward to do. Your empty spool has a top side with two arrows showing which direction you should wind the line on. Cut off a 3-meter section of line and insert the end of the line about a ½ centimeter into the hole in the hub. Now wind the line in the direction of the arrows, making sure the line lays neatly on the spool without crossing over too much. Once you've wound on all the line, leave about 10 centimeters unwound and hook the line into the notches on the top edge of the spool. You're now ready to insert the wound spool into the cutting head and replace the orange spool cap.
The 157E uses a 20-volt PowerShare battery and is suitable for the smaller garden, offering a lightweight and comfortable design. And it's both a trimmer and a simple edger. The 157E is a great budget option. So what other models could you consider? The 163E has an adjustable handle, an extendable shaft, has a single line spool and a 30cm cutting swathe. It's powered by a 20-volt PowerShare battery, but it's now a grass trimmer and an edger. The 173E is our top-selling grass trimmer. It has all the features of the 163, but comes with a nitro brushless motor for tougher, maintenance-free performance and longer runtime with a 4-amp-hour PowerShare battery. It's also 3 models in one: trimmer, edger and mini mower. The 183E is for the larger garden and has auto feed, an extended shaft and a wider 33cm cutting swathe. It's powered by two 2-amp-hour PowerShare batteries for longer runtime and is designed for stubborn weeds. The 185E offers petrol-like performance but without the emissions. It has a nitro brushless motor, 2 4-amp-hour PowerShare batteries, professional-grade spool line and a wide 38cm cutting swathe. The 185E is designed for the biggest of gardens and the toughest of environments. Alternatively, you could go for our 2-in-1 combo kit, the WG157E, which includes our best-selling WG779E lawnmower and the WG157E grass trimmer. It includes two 20-volt PowerShare batteries and a charger. fantastic value for money. Whatever your needs, we'll have a model just for you. Thanks for watching.